Hey guys, today we're going to be playing a new game on ABCya called First to 5. Right? So it's just going to take a little bit of time to load. Right. So we're going to pick this color. And then press this. Dots or numbers. We're going to do like numbers. In case you might not understand how many dots there are. So we're going to do, and this one I'll do the round letter. So it's our turn. So how you view score. Okay, there's nothing. What is the sum of 5 plus 2 equals 7? Alright, so we landed there. Snake ice cream. Okay. Alright. So they got 6, I think it is. Yes, it's 6. So they're 1 before us. So let's go. It's our turn. So, swipe to throw the dice. Oh, my bad. Let's see what we're gonna get. I think we need a 5 to win. First to 5. We got a 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So yeah, let's see. We got 3 plus 7 equals 10. And now the Snake Eyes turn again. Just swiping. Hopefully I won't get something with it. 6 plus 2 equals 8. What if they get it wrong? Oops, sorry, my bad. I accidentally did something. What I did. Okay, so he got 8. Well, I'm not sure what you're supposed to do. So it's our turn. Swipe to throw the dice. Oh, it may be the first one to get 5 on that dice. Ooh, we could have got it. Again. I don't know why. 4 plus 3, it's 7. Again, 7. Wait a second, I know what's happening. I think I know what's happening. Ooh la la. Snake Eyes turn. Stick up turn. Yeah, it's Snake turn. Okay, let's see what he gets. He gets a 6, I think it is. Yeah, 6, right? Oh, I know why Dave all. It seems like the computer always gets it right. I don't know why. Now, let's go again. It's our turn. So, since it's our turn, we swipe the end up. So we swipe to throw the dice. And we get... Oh, wait, what? Oh, it bombed. 6. Okay. It was 6. And our first 6 of the day. Right, so this got to finish working. Okay, whoa. Let's see what they get. They get another 6. What? I don't know. What? I wonder what happened if they. Oh my god, they got 10. They got 10 too. Okay, yes, of course they picked 10. Because the computers always get it right. So of course they picked 10 and get it right. I know why. The computers always get it right. But they do. Yes, they do. Oh, my bad. Hey, your turn. It's your turn. No, it's my turn. No, it's our turn. Yes, it's our turn. Okay, that's a crazy long one. Okay, well, let's see what we got this time. Oh, maybe we'll get some. Yes. No, 4 plus 6. We also don't. Okay, what is the sum? It is 10. Oh. Snake Eyes turn again. Okay. Yeah. What? Oh my gosh, he got a 12. Oh my gosh, that's lucky. He's gonna pick 12. Of course he picks 12. I was gonna say anything but 12, man. Whew. What if you get it wrong? Everything of yours gets reset? Oh, whoa. That would be weird, I think, for me a little. Okay, we gotta finish this up quickly. What do we get? Wonder if it's a 7. Also. Ooh, another 7. Nice. And also, again, this we got a 7. Ooh. So we get the third 7. It seems like we got a third 7 just now. I wonder what happened when you get a fourth 7. Yes, indeed. I wonder what happens when you get a fourth 7. I mean, yeah, I really wonder what will happen if we get a fourth 7. Oh, my bad. Too much stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So, let's start then. What did I get? Not 12. They got a 5. They're going to pick 5. Of course they pick 5. Why? Not fair. The computers always get it right. But human eyes, they can't get everything. But the computer always does. I don't know why. I mean, really, I know why. Let's see what you get. Oh, another 7? 7. No, we got 9, not 7. So yeah. So the answer here is 9. It's actually the upside down version of it. You got your 6. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I know I just had to pause for a bit. So yeah. Now it's our turn again. So, yeah, let's wait. I wonder if we can get a 7. Can we get a 7? No, of course we don't. We got an 8. Wait a second, I think it's good. Look, see, if we go to view score, no, if we get 8, we have 1, 2, 3, because we got 8, 4, 5. I think that is the end. Really? Okay. So since I said the answer is 8, I wonder if we win now. I wonder if we win. Oh, no, we didn't. Oh, maybe you have to get 5 on the dice. I don't know. Yeah, and this is gonna be a long recording. Unless they went already by now. Oh, they didn't. Very well. Very well. They're gonna pick 7. Of course they pick 7. Of course they pick 7. Of course they pick 7. Done. And I'm done. So done. Your turn. We swipe for the dice. Okay, let's see if we can get a 5. It seems like you have to get 5 on the dice. So please say we can get a 5. Please say we get a 5. No, of course we don't get 5. We get 5 and 6, which makes 11. So, now we got 6 in a row. If we didn't get 5, 6 probably doesn't make a difference, I think. Oh, well, okay. So we need to get 5. What if we get 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, but no 5? Oh my god, that'd be crazy. Yeah, okay, so it's your turn. So, yes, really gonna be a long one. Really? They get a 2. With me, they get 4. They're gonna pick 4, right? I'm assuming they're gonna pick 4? Of course they pick 4. Of course. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, so it's our turn. We swipe. That's done. Oh, we could swipe 5. Okay, I'm just assuming it could be here. What's 1? No, we're not gonna get a 1, are we? Of course we don't get a 1. We get a 10. Oh, okay, yes, I could tell these, but... Okay, so now we have a double. But I think I am actually gonna end it here. And if you want to watch the rest of this, we'll watch our next episode. And then, so when you complete this, bye.